Today is Friday, March 27th, and this is a chart assessment involving NVDA, ticker symbol NVDA. And as of the time of this recording, the stock is scored at $167.76. And since the stock market started trading a little over an hour ago, it's currently down $3. And this is the chart layout at the weekly time frame. So each of these red and green candlesticks equals a week's worth of trading. This is the current candlestick right here, which will be closing at the end of today's stock market session at 4:30. Looking left, we can see the stock hit an all-time high of $212.09 during the week of October 27th, 2025. Since hitting this high, price has essentially gone sideways or is faded to the downside. But from this perspective, it appears the current market structure has been ranging sideways for almost 11 months now, approximately. And now that price is at the bottom half of this range, if this sideways pattern does continue, then there is an argument that price would start trending back towards the upside, retesting the top half of this range. And this rectangle has a high of $196.59 and a low of $167.17. Again, this is all from my perspective. Because price is at the bottom half of this range, I'm speculating that there is a probability that price will eventually start curling back to the upside over the next few days. So just to help me navigate through this, I'm using a tool or an indicator. It's called the Fibonacci time extension, which requires 3 anchor points. So looking left, first anchor point I'm using is this weekly candlestick here, which is pegged to the week of April 7th, 2025, as this is the lowest candlestick from this broad look back. I'm sure looking further than that, there is a lower candlestick but I'm just going to go back this far out. This goes out to the week of July 15th, 2024. This is still the lowest point. So I'm using this as anchor point 1 for this tool. It's right here. It's the Fibonacci time extension. Anchor point 2 will be this weekly candlestick here, which is pegged to the week of August 4th, 2025. As we can see here that since hitting this low during the week of April 7th, 2025, price literally just went almost vertical. And this is the last green candlestick before there were consecutive red candlesticks. So I'm using this as anchor point 2. Anchor point 3 is this weekly candlestick here that ultimately hit that all-time high, which is pegged to the week of October 27th, 2025. And once those 3 anchor points are pinned, this white vertical line is pegged to the week of April 5th, 2026. So I'm speculating that as the market, specifically NVIDIA, crosses beyond this April 5th timeframe, it could be at that point that price starts trending towards the upside, retesting the top half of this range, or even breaking above this and ending this consolidation. So this is a time frame I will be adding to my watch list and calendar, just to let me know if there is a window to possibly take a bullish position. I don't think I will, because again, this is all speculation. So that's the reason for recording this for educational purposes for the future. If there is this if I do a look back and I do see that price did start trending towards the upside on or around the week of April 5th, then this is something I want to look back on and see if I could find other setups similar to this. So this way, at that point, once enough testing has been conducted, then maybe at some point. Anyway, I will pause it here. Give it a few days. Let's see what happens a week after April 5th. Just out of curiosity, April 5th is Sunday, so it's possible sometime during the week of the first full week of April, we could see some sort of price action where price starts reverting back towards the upside. So I'll set alarms. As a matter of fact, while I'm here, I'll just create an alarm to let me know that price is bouncing off this bottom half of this range. So there's my alarm, just to let me know if when price breaks above $173.29, then I'll do a status check and we'll see how this goes. So more to follow.